Look at this powerful air duster by AirWand. It's lightweight and compact. It's a great alternative to having the hassle of using cans of compressed air. It charges with a USB-C cable and has a long battery life. It has 3 modes, low, medium, and high, and also has an LED light, which works great to help you see in those tight, dark spots. It comes with many attachments and cleaning brushes, tweezers. With so many options, I'm able to fine clean any surface. And I also use this to fill my air mattress, and it works great. This air duster is the ultimate cleaning solution. With its wide range of interchangeable nozzles and brushes, you can't go wrong. From computers to sofas, keyboards to cars, it will adapt to all your cleaning scenarios. So if you're looking to simplify your cleaning routine, you will be impressed with this electric air duster. Thanks for watching.